Hey pigeon lovers, what's up? How far now? How na day? I don't come again with another Ogbonge video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys common pidgin English phrases that we use in everyday life. Are you ready? If you're ready, then let's jump straight into it. You make my mind cut. Or you make my mind fly. All right, it means you scared the hell out of me. You make my mind fly. Literally, your body left you, your mind has flown away and has left you. Or you make my mind cut. Like my breath literally ceased. That's how you say you scared the hell out of me. I was just about to call you. I've been just won't call you. I was just about to call you. I been just won't call you. If this is too complex for you, you have to go and follow up, okay? Go back, watch some of my videos so you can understand what I'm saying. I been just won't call you. I was just about to. I been just won't call you. Now. You can't call me first. You can't first me call. I been won't just call you. It's not my business. That one no concern me. That one no concern me. It's none of my business. It no concern me. It no concern me. That one no concern me. It no concern me. Any of them. It's none of my business. Nah, I don't buy that story. I no believe that yarn. I no believe that talk. Or I no believe that gist. I no believe that yarn. So yarn, talk, and gist are all stories, okay? So I don't buy that story. I don't believe that talk. I beg, don't tell me that thing. I don't want to hear. I don't buy it. Don't tell me. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. Don't tell me. Come. Have you heard the latest gist? You don't hear the matter with the ground. You don't hear the matter with the ground. Do you know? Have you heard what is on ground? Have you heard what's happening now? You don't hear the matter with the ground. You don't hear them. Hey, you never hear. Bring chair, come sit down, make I gist you. Come sit down, make I tell you. Face your front. Face your front. Look front. Face your front means mind your own business. Face your front. Face your front. Face front. Mind your business. Don't get involved in my shit. Face your front. Face your walk. Okay? Face your walk. Oh boy, face your front. It means mind your business. Mind your business. Mind the business that pays you money. Ooh, face your front. Face your front. So you heard me say face your front right now. Pidgin English is different in different parts of Nigeria, okay? So I think in Port Harcourt, they will tell you face your front. This your Pekin. This your head too big. This your Pekin no serious. Do you get what I mean? It's different. But for the general pidgin, it is face your front, face your walk. Face your own. Like, mind your business. Mind your business. Why are you making a big deal out of this, though? Why you they carry the matter for head? Like, why are you hawking this matter? Why are you carrying this matter on your head? Why are you so serious about it? Why are you making a big deal out of nothing? Why you they carry this matter for head? Like, anybody that sees you can literally see the issue going on. You they carry on for head. You they hawk them like gala. Why you they hawk this matter like gala? So gala is I think sausage roll. It's a very popular snack in Nigeria. So everywhere in traffic, everywhere they sell gala. So why you they hawk this matter like gala? Or why you they carry this matter for head? You're making a big deal out of nothing. If you want to encourage me, just do your best. You would say, just do the one way you feel do. Like, do what you can, okay? So we would say it like this. Just do the one where you feel do. Leave the rest for God. Like, do your best and leave the rest for God. Just do the one where you fit do. Or do the one where your power reach. That's do what your strength can do. Just do the one where you feel do. Leave the rest for God. Or do within your power reach. Just leave the rest for God. Basically, I'm encouraging you, do your best at this. I mean, just read and leave the rest. Okay, you'll pass your exam, but do the one where you feel do. No kill yourself. They'll always tell you, don't not kill yourself. Do the one where you feel do. Leave the rest for God. Before we continue, let us take a moment to share the pidgin phrase of the day. And our pidgin phrase of the day is she too like wahala. It means she's so troublesome. She likes trouble. This girl. You too like wahala. You like trouble. You like looking for trouble where there is no trouble. You too like wahala. She too like wahala. You like wahala. Shift a big. Let's go on with the video. God, I need to hustle harder. I need to double my hustle. I need to double my hustle. Is that easy? And this does not sound like it's just pidgin. It sounds like English. But that's how we say it though. I need to double my hustle, guy. I need to hustle hard. I need to go hard. I need to hustle harder. I need to go hard. I need to double my hustle for this channel. So that we can be global. You guys share my videos. May we double our hustle. May we double our hustle. I need to double. You see the way I said, may we double our hustle. That's another part of Nigeria. Okay, so instead of saying hustle, they will say hustle. I need to double. Instead of saying two, they will say to. I need to double my hustle. I need to double my hustle. But for general pidgin, I need to double my hustle. I need to double my hustle. Guy, I'm gonna share my video now. Now they fuck up. Share this video. Subscribe. Yeah, they watch me. No go subscribe. Don't they watch me since? You they watch me free. So subscription is even free. Wait till I talk. Subscribe, Jerry. We'll reach 10K. If you live abroad where you guys split bills, you go out on a date with somebody or whatever, you and your friends go out and you want to tell yourselves, let's split the bill. You would say, may we share the money. May we share the money. It's self-explanatory. So bring your part, I'm going to bring my part. We're splitting it, we're sharing it, yeah? So make we share the money. That guy is full of himself. That guy to the raised shoulder. That guy to the raised shoulder. He's too full of himself. That guy to the carry shoulder. To the carry shoulder. I say, who are you safe? You get money. You get money. Money now water now. You fuck up. Oh. That guy to the carry shoulder. Right. I knew something was off. I knew it. I knew something was off. My mind tell me say no pure. My mind tell me say that business no pure. My mind tell me say that deal no pure. I knew something was off. My mind tell me say he no pure. My mind tell me say that boy no love me. He just want to use me, dump me. My mind tell me say that guy no pure. Did you get the gist? My mind told me. I knew it and I wasn't wrong. I didn't see that coming. It shocked me. It shocked me. I've done this before, but this is not how I explained it. Because all these things, you use them in different contexts, yeah? So in this context, I didn't see that coming. It shocked me. It shocked you, Abby. Did you see it coming? It shocked me. It shocked you. Like, were you surprised? Were you shocked? It shocked you. It shocked me. I don't know, see that man get money like this, so it shocked me. It shocked me. That's not what I said. No be waiting I talk be that oh. No be waiting I talk. I no talk that one. I no talk that one. No be waiting I talk be that. Lastly, I am so exhausted. I am tired. I don't tire. I don't sleep. I don't tire. I am tired. Okay? And I'm really tired. I just got back from training and then this is my third video that I'm shooting right now for different platforms. So I am tired. I left the house as early as 7. It's like 5 p.m. now. I need to go. Thank you guys for watching. Una enjoyed this video. Una they learn something. If you did learn, write down for comments. Say I did learn something. Write down, make I know say I did teach una something. If you know they learn, tell me. Take her easy. It's too fast. take calm, easy. It's too fast. If I am too fast for you, let me know. If it's perfect, right? Perfect in the comments. I just want to see your comments. I won't see your comments. And I won't see your comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.